and also my topic is types of family. So, what is family? Family is a group of two or more persons related by birth, marriage, or adoption who live together. So, meron tayong iba't ibang tinatawag na family. So, di lang nakabase sa di lang nakabase sa kasal ng taon-taon. Kahit hindi natin siya gano'n, matatawag din pa rin natin yung family gano'n. So, we have the types of family. So, first one is nuclear family. Nuclear family is a family group consisting of parents and their child. So, typically living in one home residence. Nuclear family is typically centered on a married couple which may have a number of children. So, pag sinabi natin nuclear family is ito yung tinatawag na family na kung saan is married yung dalawang tao. In short is nakatira sila sa isang bahay kung saan is kasama nila yung mga anak nila. So, yun yung tinatawag na nuclear family. Parents and their child. Next one naman is extended family. So, what is extended family? It's a family that extends beyond the nuclear family of parents and their child to include auntie and uncles, grandparents, cousins, or other relatives or living nearby or in the same household. So, pag sinabi natin extended family, ito naman yung similar din sa nuclear family, but dito sa extended is kasama na yung mga auntie, mga lolo, yung mga relatives natin sa isang bahay gano'n. So, next naman is single parent family. A single parent family is someone who is unmarried, widowed, or divorced and not remarried. The single parent household can be headed a mother, a father, and grandparent, and uncle or auntie. So, from the word itself, single. So, mismo, parang siya. From the word single, so, mag-isa na siya. Kumbaga is, siya yung ina at ama ng isang bata. Single parent. So, next one is grandparent. Pag sinabi natin grandparent is a family where the children are brought up by the grandparents in this type of family. The parents of the children may play a partial role in raising the children or may not be present at all. So, pag sinabi natin grandparent family, ito naman is yung mga anak is, sa lolo nila, sila lumaki. And then, next one is blended family. So, blended family is a family where at least one parent has children who are not biologically related to their spouse. Either parent or both blended family is, tinatawag siya, step family. Tapos is, ito naman yung tinatawag na both parent is meron silang ibang, pamilya, parang gano'n. And then, next one is the childless family. It's a family with two partners who cannot have or don't want kids. In the world of family types and dynamics, these families are often forgotten or left out, even though you can still have a family without children. So, itong childless family, sila yung, di ba, mag-asawa nga. Tapos, wala silang anak. Pero, kahit na wala silang anak, is matatawag din pa rin yun na family. So, yun lamang po. Thank you.